Hi everyone. In today's class, we will do some problems from the topic counting of figures. In this problem, 3 figures are given. You have to count how many triangles are there in each figure. You have to find out the number of triangles in each figure. Let us see in all these problems, first of all, you have to register the pattern in your mind. See, if you count, this is first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, you may go wrong. If you register the pattern in your mind, if you apply that logical reasoning, then you can easily find out the number of triangles in each figure. Okay. Otherwise, you may go wrong if you count one after the other. See, in the first figure, this is first triangle, then this is second triangle. Then full triangle is one third triangle. If you count like that, chances are there to leave any one of the triangles. You may be wrong. So register the pattern in your mind. See, I am telling you the logic how to find the total number of triangles in each figure. See, in the first you have to count the number of bases. See, in this first problem, first figure, this is first base. Am I right? This is second base. See, for the first triangle, this base is there. For the next part, for the next triangle, this is the base. So now you have to count the total number of bases. So number of triangles is equal to 1 plus 2. That is 3 triangles. Okay, let us see the second figure. See, this is the base for the first triangle. Okay, this is the base for the second triangle. This is the base for the third triangle. Am I right? So, total number of triangles, you have to count this, add these 3 numbers. So 6 triangles are there. Now, in the third figure, see the bases. This is one base. Okay. First base, second base. Because this line is one straight line. Next, this is other straight line. Am I right? So, for this you have to start from the beginning. You should start from 1. And you should give the numbers in order. First, second, then third, then fourth. Am I right? For the base, largest line is there, no? Down. For that, this is also a straight line, no? So, how many bases are there? You count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you count number of triangles is equal to, for the first straight line, 1 plus 2 bases are there. Okay, for the next straight line, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. For the last one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, this is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 23, 23 plus 5, 28, 28 plus 6, 34 triangles. This is the logic in these 3 figures. Thank you.